Question of the day: what are employee rewards? They're tangible ways companies show appreciation: bonuses, gift cards, extra time off, or even a handwritten note. These rewards help reinforce positive behavior and celebrate everyday wins. Unlike broad recognition programs, rewards are personal. They speak directly to what motivates each employee, whether that's flexibility, public praise, or a meaningful gift. This kind of individual attention is key to employee experience, and the impact is measurable. Employees who feel recognized are 4 times more likely to be engaged at work. That engagement leads to better performance, stronger loyalty, and lower turnover. The most effective rewards are timely and thoughtful. They don't need to be expensive. What matters most is that they're consistent and sincere. Even small gestures can go a long way in building a culture of workplace recognition. When people feel seen and valued, they're more likely to bring their best to work. That sense of appreciation enhances the overall employee experience and contributes to a more connected, motivated team. If your goal is to improve engagement and performance, start with the employee rewards that matter to your people, because when recognition feels personal, it creates lasting impact.